Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Amril Pratama from Informatic Engineering, class 2B. Here I will explain about the advantage and disadvantage of my major when I was in vocational high school. The advantage and disadvantage that I will explain are from the software engineering. Without further ado, I will begin to explain the advantage and disadvantage of majoring in software engineering. The first is the advantage. In the software engineering, there are several advantages that can be obtained if you study here, including the following. Point 1. Many job opportunities await. Software engineering itself is a derivative of the IT department. But in this department, it is more toward software. And at this time, there are also many companies that need people who master this field. Point 2. Can make software in general. This course learn how to create application starting from logic, database, and programming language to create application. Software engineering itself aims to make usable to create application on various platforms, both both individually and in group. Point 3. Can create application and develop it. Not only one application, but in this department, we are also taught to create application on various platforms, such website, desktop, and mobile. But we are also give the freedom to choose the platform we like. Point 4. Can be application developer. In this case, we are also taught to be able to become developer of an application on various platform, website, desktop, and mobile. Point 5. Can understand computer to detail. As people who will later register in the IT field, we will indirectly learn about the component that exist in computer. Because to become an application developer, we must use a capable device. So we must we must be able to understand the component that are in the device we use. Point 6. Can solve computer problem independently. As a developer who work using electronic device continuously, it is possible that the device will experience problem. So we have to be able to that happen in the device that we use. I don't know if it's a software or hardware problem. Well, for the advantage I have explained. So now I will explain about the disadvantage. Although this department has a good future, it also has drawback. Following are the disadvantage of majoring in software engineering. Point 1. Have many rivals. Because it has promising job, and income. This department has very tight competition from the software engineering department or other major that have same or almost same vocational knowledge. Point two, require to keep up with change happening in the industry. Because we are engaged in application development, we are required to follow development in the market. Application and platform require will change from time to time. What initially need people who could develop application on a website platform might later change to other platform such mobile. And we also have to be able to develop ourselves as quickly as possible because the change that occur in the IT sector very quickly. Even in the last one decade, there has been a very rapid change from which the application that was initially loved was desktop turned into website and now is being loved Python. Point three, not suitable for people who can solve problem. Why doesn't it fit? Because in the in this field we are forced to solve problems that exist in the application we are developing, whether it's a small problem or a big problem, because solving the problem that exists in the application is quite draining of energy and time. To solve a problem that occur in the application, we have to change the command and provide new logic in the program and in the program that is in the application. Point 4, need someone who can think about what is need in the application because we are engaged in the manufacture and development of application. We are required to be able to read or analyze what user need from the application, and we also have to know what and for who this application is made. For example, if those who use it application are people who are old now, who do not understand technology, we must make the application as simple and easy to understand. You don't need to use a lot of animation or transition in this application, but just make an application that is simple, easy to understand, and runs well. Thanks in advance, and sorry if there are any shortcoming. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.